I'll call Sambit, just take the charge for the hackathon.
Hello, now we will going to start the hackathon process. So first team is agent of changes. Agent of changes. Can agent of changes, any member, team member can raise the hand on online.
Hello, sir. You can hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So our chatbot has multiple languages. We have English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, and Odia. The chatbot is used to help people travel across Odisha states and other various tourist places.
For now, we have only made it specific for Odia places. We can further extend the data set by including other places of all across India. And we can also add different languages. So this is the basic UI of the chatbot. We have dark mode also. So we will start with demonstrating the chatbot features, how the conversation goes on.
Tell me 5 best places to visit in Odisha.
So here we get a prompt telling us to confirm our voice. If it hasn't,
For now, we also have other languages like Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, and Odia, both for speech to text and voice text to speech. We will demonstrate you Hindi for now. ओडिशा में मैं कहाँ घूमने जा सकता हूँ? ओडिशा में मैं कहाँ घूमने जा सकता हूँ? We'll also show you the Odia language, but we cannot do the speech to text now because we can't speak Odia. Okay.
we will give it in text. We'll copy. Also, are you able to hear the answers?
Let's just wait. Yes.
So this is the basic demonstration of the working of our
Rahi.ai, your magical AI companion for exploring India's wonders. Okay.
Should we stop sharing? We are open to whatever questions you have.
So here's the question: are you calling some API and doing a translation? Can you talk about a little bit about the background of this app? How it's getting executed?
We are actually using Grok API for and using Llama 70 billion versatile model for as LLM. For voice, we are using Whisper, and for text to speech, we are using Sarvam AI and SPTS.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
For audio, what model are you using? Like, what are the framework for audio generation?
Audio generation, we are using Microsoft HTTS. It has multiple Indian languages with both male, female voices, and also Sarvam AI for specifically for ODI language.
Okay. So, what are the workflow you are using?
We are using LangGraph for the workflow.
Okay. Thank you.
What is the toughest challenge you faced during implementation?
One of the toughest project was finding ODI compatible models. However, then later on we were provided Sarvam.
Not able to hear you.
So that
Okay, so one of the few problems was finding the text-to-speech model for Oriya language, as it was not publicly available, and to run it on low GPU environment, it was not fast as it is now. Other problems were such as retrieving English data and fast translation of the languages so that retrieval will be correct and contextually right. So the two major problems we faced. And to solve it, we specifically directly use the Llama model to translate and then retrieve instead by using any other translation techniques.
Okay, we finished up with the question. You can share, you can shut down the share off. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So next team is data nodes. So data nodes team, can any member raise the hand? We give the access of unmuting. Acha, Anurag Pradhan, yes. Yes, Anurag, we have given access, you can share your screen and...
Yeah, just 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen visible.
Okay, yeah, so good evening. I'm Anurag Pradhan, and the problem statement I was working on, the challenge that I focus on this is the information gap many citizens face regarding government welfare schemes, despite program in Odisha by Odisha government. Despite programs like Kaliya Yojana, Subhadra scheme, and Mission Shakti, a large section of our population struggles with either awareness gap or the complex bureaucratic language that is being used in the original document of the welfare scheme. So my objective was clear of building an AI-powered chatbot that simplifies the scheme information in both English as well as Odia, ensuring citizens understand their rights and benefits being given by the Odisha government. So I built an ODI governance chatbot powered by modern AI, specifically using RAG. It extracts information directly from official PDFs that I browse and downloaded from government websites. And this bridges the knowledge gap and empowers even rural and semi-literate citizens to access welfare schemes. Because it can generate the prompt both in Odia as well as English, so even rural people can understand like whatever is being generated. Now talking about the core capabilities of the model, so the bot brings four key capabilities to the table. First is it's AI powered, trained on official scheme documents, and next is it is bilingual, which can generate both in English and Odia. Next is it is very clear and gives very structured responses. Like it does give you the eligibility of the scheme, the benefits of the scheme, the application process, and whatever website you need to visit to apply for the scheme. Now talking about the technical architecture. So for PDF processing, first is PDF processing. I extract and clean text from the government documents. In chunking, I break the large documents into smaller, meaningful pieces. Then in embedding, I use sentence transformer to generate semantic vectors. Then in similarity search, I match user questions to relevant document sections. Then in the RAG pipeline, I combine document context with Open Router API to generate human-like answers. And finally, in the Odia translator, I translate the English response to Odia for better accessibility by common people. Next, these are the models that I've used for embeddings. In sentence transformer, I've used all mini-LM L6V2. Then for RAG I've used the All-Drummer Valkyrie 49 billion V1 model. For translation, I have used Coherence Labs command R+, which converts from English to Odia. For PDF processing, I have used PyPDF to regex. For the web interface, I have used Streamlit. It was very simple and could be done in very less time. This is a basic workflow diagram, like the user will be given the kev query, then the relevant PDFs will be retrieved, then the answer with appropriate context will be generated, then it will be translated to Odia, then my model will be displaying both the version, the English version as well as the Odia version. And these are few snapshots, and this is the video of the Streamlit app. Like it was taking a little bit of time yesterday when I was giving the prompt and pressing enter. Yeah, so this is the English response. Like it has the eligibility criteria, the basic salient features of the scheme, the like implementation period, the benefits that people are gonna get, the required documents that you have to submit, and of course the sites or websites where you need to go to apply for these. And below this English version, this is the Odia part, Odia, the same translation of the English part. So even common people can understand. So by this model, the benefits that common citizens are going to get is easy access to verified official information and bilingual support that enhances inclusivity. Then it is very simplified conversational language, like the official documents, the scheme documents, they were in very complex bureaucratic language. So common people will be will find it very difficult to understand that. So in this model, same information is presented in very simple words. So it also reduces misinformation and it empowers citizens to understand and claim their benefits without the middleman. So that's it from my side, and I'm open to any questions.
Any question, anyone?
What LLM have you used?
I've used the drummer Valkyrie 49 billion V1.
What did he say?
It's like Valkyrie. It's a
Valkyrie.
title model. The base model is title model.
Okay. And have you tried with multiple users?
Like, what do you mean by multiple users?
Like multiple instances of your implementation, like 5 or 6 people simultaneously trying on your system?
No, actually, I haven't tried with that. It of course comes in my future enhancement of this project. Like, there was a website which contained 50 more government schemes that I couldn't integrate in this model because there was no way I could, retrieve the data from that website and feed to my RAG model. So, in my future enhancement, the multiple user thing and getting data from that website, I'll be doing all that in my future enhancement of this project.
Okay, and you verified the document output from the PDF?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Was it correct, or how far it was from the original one?
It was correct. It was like, almost correct. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone? Other question?
Just wondering, why did you show a recorded video versus a live one? Is it just the speed of the system, or?
The actual issue was the API key was giving an issue even yesterday night and even today morning. So, like, whenever I read on it now, it is showing that the API key is exhausted or invalid or something like that.
Okay.
So that's why I recorded it yesterday, and the same issue I was facing yesterday night. I asked Sambit Bhaiya to send me another new API key. He did send, and that did work yesterday night, but today morning it again stopped working. It was saying invalid API key.
Okay.
So that was the reason I presented the recorded video. I kept it for safety purposes. If at all my model fails to work today, I recorded it yesterday.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
So you said that the output is shown in a simplified form. So what is it that you did extra? Because all that you're doing is feeding to an LLM and asking it to present it, right? How do you ensure that it's shown in a simplified way?
In simplified form, in the sense, the original scheme documents that are released by the government, the details, the information, it is very in a very bureaucratic language, which is very difficult for a common person to understand. In this LLM, just a second. Like as you can see, the some basic information, the salient features of the screen, and followed by that, it has given point wise what is the eligibility criteria, what are the documents do I need to avail this e-governance scheme, or what is the implementation period, all that. So it is like way more clear than what it is given in the original document of the by the government.
Next, that will be okay. Fine. Okay, this much question from the audience. Like you can switch up the sharing. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anurag. So next team is Bug Life. Please raise your hand. Yes, that one. Yes, Malika. Like we have given access like for sharing your screen and unmuting.
Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Hello. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Malika, and on behalf of my teammates Shivashish and Sutij, I am excited to introduce you to our project, Sathi-Swar. Sathi-Swar is more than just a chatbot. It's a voice-first AI assistant designed specifically for non-literate users in India. Basically, till now, we have the functionality as for users who are familiar with Odia. We began with a problem close to home. Like millions of rural Indians, especially the elderly women and first-time smartphone users, are left out of the digital ecosystem. So this was our solution, remove the barrier completely. So Sathi-Swar lets users speak in their own language like Odia and get smart responses. Like no typing, no reading, no navigating screens. So the real problem was millions of people were unable to read. So what Sathi-Swar does is that it makes it unique in such a way that there is no requirement of typing or giving a prompt via text. Our vision was to make a AI bot for the one who cannot read or type, and the user input and output both are only in speech and tailored to Odia language only first. Because due to some API issues, we couldn't make it for any other languages. So this is how it works. The user speaks in Odia. The servam.ai STT converts it to the text, and then we send it to the Open Router API. Then it is reasoned, and then the reply is generated in Odia and again voiced via TTS. The final response is then again spoken back to the user. The text stack we have used is speech to text. STT is servam.ai. The AI engine or LLM we have used Servam Mixel, and text to speech again the conversion we have done using servam.ai. Front end is done using HTML, CSS and JS, vanilla JS. Back end we have used Flask and Python. So this is a snippet of how it works. The user asks ration card kipari milibo. and the STT then converts it into English, and the AI understands the intent and what is the question, and then gives a meaningful answer, and then the TTS reads the answer aloud in Odia. So this is a demonstration of how our AI bot looks. The demo of the app will be given later. So this is how it works. The user speaks their query aloud. That speech is transcribed using the servums.ai STT API. Then the text is sent to a powerful LLM through Open Router to understand and generate a meaningful response. Finally, we use servum.ai's TTS to convert the response back to spoken Odia and closing the entire loop entirely through the voice. What makes our project unique is that user never has to look at the screen. The entire interaction is built around voice. It's like speaking to a helpful local assistant who understands you in your own language. From the front end to back end, we have kept everything very lightweight, modular, and accessible. We have designed a glowing minimal UI, as you can see here. Even a first-time user can navigate, and all the intelligence, STT, LLM, and TTS is handled cleanly through modular Python scripts and API. So these are the future possibilities. We can add, since this is only in Odia, we can add multilingual support like English, Hindi, etc. Then we can add it to voice bots for WhatsApp or phone calls. Now to show you how it actually works behind the scenes, I'd like to hand it over to my teammate Shibashish. He's built the backend pipeline using servum.ai for speech and Open Router for LLM integration. He'll walk you through the architecture and give you a live demo of Sathishwar in action. Shibashish, over to you. So can you please allow Shibashish to share his screen?
Yes. Just tell him to raise the hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sivasis, we have given permission to you. Sivasis, you can unmute yourself like a. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So first, the app Sathishwar to work, first we have to give input in our native language, Odia, so that it can transcribe it and send it to the LLM, so it can give a response in a proper way. So first, I'm giving a response. Rasan card kemiti tiyari haba?
आवश्यक कागजपत्र आधार कार्ड रहस्यात्मक सर्टिफिकेट फोटो एवं आवेदन स्वरूप अंगतमको कार्यालय रे सठिक तथ्य पाई परिबे.
So the delay was due to my internet connection. Sorry for that. So the backend and the front end are connected through the RESTful API. So whenever we give an input to the system, it uses a post request to record send the recorded audio to the endpoint, which is to the backend, for which we are using the Open Router API. And after processing it, the backend generates a JSON object that includes all the transcript, the AI response, and the audio URL. For that, we are sending it to the front end so that it can play back directly to the user.
Okay, Sivasis. Can you try with any other query, like Nandankanan Kotiochi or something like that?
Okay, sir. Nandankanan Kotiochi.
नंदनकानन ओडिशा भुवनेश्वर अवस्थित है नंदनकानन ओडिशा भुवनेश्वर अवस्थित
Okay. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any question?
Yeah, hi Sivasis. Okay, can you ask Gita Gobindara Rachayita kiye?
Okay, sir. गीता गोविंदर रचयिता किए?
रचयिता गीता गोविंदर रचयिता होचंती जयदेव
Yes, it's right. Yes. Okay. Seems like there is no question. Yes, Sivasis, that was a good demo. Yes, you can stop the screen sharing. We can.
Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you, team. So next team is Asterix team. So, member of Asterix, please raise your hand. Yes. And you also mentioned to give access to another guy, like tell him to also raise the hand.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want you to allow my teammate Swagat also.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, all access given to you both.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So our project is at Shiksha Sati. So it's a web application built on the Python module Streamlit. And with this application, various students that are preparing for various competitive exams like JEE, NEET, even class 10 and 12, they can be helpful with it. Like they can prepare various type of exams, try different type of questions, and even have their doubt clear in their own local language. Like they can use their own comfort local language to get their doubts clear. And even we have a feature to have a one-on-one session with a specialist mentor. So these are some of the key features of the application. And as we go on, yes, sir. So the main type was the roadmap generator. In the roadmap generator, the students can generate any roadmap, step-by-step guidance for any topic they want to prepare for. Then we have the doubt clearing system where the students can have their doubt cleared using the AI-powered assistant. In the content summarization, we can summarize any topic and all. And in concept simplification, so we can break down heavy concept into simple parts. And it will be easier for students to understand. For now, the local languages that we access are Hindi, English, Odia, but they can even try other languages such as Marathi or even foreign languages. So just a second. So sorry, sir, we are having a bit of technical issue at our part. Yes, sir. Sir, sorry for the technical issue. Sir, this is actually the web interface. Yes, sir. So this is an actual overview of how our app is. The Shiksha Sathi from board to big dreams. It will help us in various features such as roadmap generation, doubt clearing, mock test preparation, and special one-on-one. In the roadmap generation, sir, one can choose the particular topic they want to prepare for. For example, they can choose physics. They can type any chapter like thermodynamics or anything and choose the language as they prefer, like Odia, Hindi, English, and generate. Sir, here we are using the EduGen LLM with the power of Gemini to generate various type of questions. Sorry, it will take a bit of time. Yes, sir. So the personalized roadmap is generated for the users to follow up and have a proper guidance on how they should tackle the things, how should they understand it, what are the main objectives they have to learn in a particular topic. The next part that we can focus on is the mock test preparation, where the students can just choose from any of the exam they are preparing for, let it be class 10, 12 minute or something, choose a particular topic and a subject, and generate number of questions for a self-practice or revision before an exam. Here also we are using the EduGen LLM powered by Gemini API. For this whole we are using Gemini 2.0 Pro model. So this is a personalized quiz generated for practice of the users. Like they can practice and have a better understanding how they should focus on the preparation and what they should try to improve on. So next is our special one-on-one session. Yes, so in the special one-on-one session, the students can choose from any competitive exams they are preparing for and have a mentor of their own choice. For example, a student preparing for UPSC can choose UPSC and choose from one of the mentors we provide to have a detailed guideline. For example, we are choosing Mr. Vinay Train, who is a professor in history. We can pick a particular slot that he is free from and provide our details and our email to book a personalized one-on-one session with him. Yes, sir. The booking is confirmed. For the last one, I would like to present the screen. Yes, sir. Sir, in the doubt solver part, we can have any doubt cleared in our own local language, sir, students can choose from any exams they're preparing for, have their doubt, and here we have used the Sutra model. The Sutra model detects language automatically provided to it and provides us the answer in that. For example, we have a Odia prompt. Sir, this is the English part. The concept of light in physics. Let us copy and provide this in Odia. So the Sutra model automatically detects the language provided to it and provides us the response in the desired language only. Yes, sir. So the personalized AI answer with all the doubts and topics related to the light chapter can be answered here using the own Odia language. We even have some suggested videos and all for their references. But Sutra model is not limited to Odia only. It can automatically detect various other languages. Just a second, sir. Let's even go for Spanish even. It will automatically generate and provide us the response. Sir, here we have the, yes, sir. So the Spanish answer is generated. Here we have the text-to-speech converter that automatically detects the words we speak and gives us the response. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Swagat and Om. Any question?
Yeah, can you just tell us, what all you used? You talked about some, tool you used in front of the LLM, right, for generating those objective questions and all that. Okay, and then for doubt clearance, you use something else. Okay, can you just explain your backend, right? How from a query, you're given that I want a clarification and learning around thermodynamics, how it goes behind and what all you have done. Okay, on that side. Some part was not very audible when you talked about.
Sorry, sir, it is not audible. So yes, sir, I will be glad to explain that. Sir, for the backend part, we mainly use the EduGen LLM. EduGen is a powerful LLM that can easily generate various type of questions and solve doubts. Like it can directly take URL, text, PDF and various type of format and convert them to responses as per the user's need. That was our main LLM that we used for, and LLM supports various type of models like Grok, OpenAI, Gemini. For this particular project, we have used the Gemini model.
Yes, and EduGen is another like LLM API.
So you used Sutra model, and how is it different? What are the components of that?
Yes, sir. So Sutra is a latest model, like it was released last month only. So it automatically recognize any voice or any language that we provide as input, and as for the response, as per the provided language, it recognizes the language and provides us the answer in that similar language. Like it's a multilingual model that converts any language that we provide to us. Right.
So is it speech to text?
Sir, it's both. Like, sir, it can take text input. For speech to text, sir, we have to convert it into text actually.
Okay. And what is the pipeline that you have used between each of these? Have you used any pipeline architecture?
No, sir, actually, sir. We have not used any pipeline.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Om.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, thank you, Swagat and Om. Acha, another question is there. Okay.
Can you just mention what are the key prompts behind generating the lesson plan?
Sure, sir. Lesson plan, sir. Just a second. Yes, sir. Sir, so we have divided the prompts into parts, like for the basic instruction, then the main topics from that particular topic, subtopic, key concepts, probable questions, and hand-on activities. So, like the LLM takes the input and divides the topic into subtopics. Then, using the Gemini model, it generates the part-wise answer.
Okay, so this is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Om. Swagat, thank you. Thank you for joining. Next team minute. Yes. Okay, we are giving you access like for unmuting and share your screen. Yes, you have access now. Like you can share your screen and unmute yourself. Yes, you can start now. Okay, hello. You can unmute yourself. Like, we are not able to hear you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes. Now you are audible. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So we are Team Minute Minds, and I am Talin. So we have created a hospital management system. So moving on to the problem statement. Sir, sorry for it. Sir, I need clarification if my screen is shared or not.
Yes, your screen is visible and you are audible also. You can.
Thank you, sir.
Go ahead. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So our problem statement is manual hospital systems are time consuming and inefficient. Normally, hospital systems, what we do, we go there. Okay, they normally people are not able to find their own. When we talk about the systems, it's normally manual works go on. So we have automated it, and we have in Odisha, hospitals need Odia language for optimization. Whenever we input the patient data, it's always in English and all. And even if people know English script, but they are not that fluent in English. So even if we type in WhatsApp, we used to type in Odia, but in English script. So what we have created is we have created a chatbot that will generate how many patients are there, how many beds are available, or a particular information about some patients through it. So next, moving on. Project objective, we have built a smart HMS portal to manage patient records in real time, provide a web interface for adding, deleting and updating patient data, and integrated chatbot, Swastha Sathi, that interacts in Odia language. So key features is it has database management, we can add, delete and update patient details. It has a chatbot which will, if we ask queries to it, it will return the answers of it, basically related to the clinic or hospital. Helpful for non-English speakers, and it has a user-friendly web interface. So moving on next to the practicals. So this is the system, and if we see, if I take an example, person has come named let it be Anvesh, who is of age 20.
Okay.
And is
Talin, have you changed your next slide?
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
So because of some firewalls, I guess my PC is not accepting that one second.
Okay.
Okay, one second, just hiding. Okay, sir. I think now it's visible.
Yes, now it's visible. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So let us think that I'm a hospital staff, and I want to add patient details into the server. So what I will do, there is a patient named Anvesh, okay, and his age is 20, gender male, and let us think that his department, we have added him to neurology. The neurology department will take care of. Let it be we have made a system if I want to say that he has came today and he's been admitted today, so we will click here today, and the diagnosis is of let it be neurology. We can say I am not about the hospital terms. Sorry about it. Let us say it brain. If we add the patient, we can also view it if the patient is added or not. So here the patient has been given a unit ID 9, Anvesh 20, male, neurology. This is the date and the diagnosis is brain. Okay. So if we go back home, what I have done, I might have been mistaken in adding the age. Anvesh might be of 23, 24, but by mistakenly I have added it 20. So what I can do, I will view all the patients. I will see his ID, it's 9. So I will go down. I will just update a patient 9. And I just have to click the age of Anvesh. It is going to be 25. Let it be 25. I want to update it from 20 to 25. If I click update age, update patient, the view, if we see view patients, the Anvesh age has become 25. Okay, now we go back home. So there is another button here. It is delete patient. If I want to say Soumik has been discharged today. So what I want to do, the patient ID is 7. So I will just click 7. I want to discharge Soumik. So delete patient. Okay, if we see view discharge patients, okay, Soumik has been his discharge ID is also 7. Somik. Here all the information has been given. So next, if we go back to home, then here is the Swasthya Sathi chatbot. Okay, we can ask this in Odia by using an English script, or also we can also use the traditional Odia script also. First, I will show using the English script. Okay, for example, if I ask him like kete ta bed achi. This is what I ask him, and I enter it. It will think. So this is the data set is we have generated and created the data set through ChatGPT, and the model we are using is Mistral from Olama. So yeah, these are the available beds here. Now moving on next, so in the if there is a person named Ramesh, okay, so we want to add ask him Ramesh, who is Ramesh? So Ramesh kiye. If I want to ask, okay. So moving on next, Ramesh kiye, patient not found. So patient does not exist, so it doesn't found. Okay. And next, moving on to if I want to add the same thing, like in Odia. So I have created. I don't know how to type Odia in keyboard, so I have just used the prompt. Kete bed achi. It will also reply the same. Okay, yeah. Next, it's coming on. If I can also try anything else if you want. So that's what we have created. It will make the workflow easy for other people also improve the job opportunity, that we are not stuck in one language, but also moving on to like our local languages. So there is no language barrier in it. Thank you.
Any question from audience?
Yeah, hi. I think your outputs are in English, right? When you can you?
Yeah, that we have done that. We have not till now not integrated in Odia. So that's what one problem we will be solving next.
So how can you solve that?
Like we have used Google Translate script for this, and the person who has my work was the backend part, and this is so our teammates, but he is currently not available for the moment. He's been visiting Puri, so that's why it's hard for me to answer right now.
Okay, so what I understood is that it's not completely understand Odia and provide input and output in Odia, right?
It can understand Odia, and put the input, but the output is till now not in Odia, but in English. But it can understand Odia in both Odia script and English script.
Okay, so can you enter your query in Odia what are the nearest hospital?
I have to use another, I think. One second. Any new query you are asking?
I mean, you can write in Odia what will be the nearest hospital.
Okay, one minute.
Maybe you can translate it, no problem.
Yeah, exactly what I am doing. So yeah.
What will be the nearest? What is the nearest hospital?
One second, I want to. So actually, sir, this is actually we cannot ask the. It is actually trained in a way in a clinic, for a clinic. So what is the nearest hospital it won't give a proper output. We have to ask something inside it.
Okay, so can you ask like how many male patients are available?
Okay. Little bit of problem, I guess.
So we don't able to understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Anyone has any other question?
Hi. Just explain the workflow with the components in the pipeline from question to answer. So like Ketajana Purusha Rogi Achanti, when you give this one, where does it go? What does who serves the answer? Who does that, and how does it comes back? Just explain the components and the pipeline.
Okay, sir. So as I've said, this bot has been made especially by my friend. Okay, he's not available right now, but I will explain how it work exactly. So what we have done, we have used Google Translate for this. The pipeline we are using is Mistral 7B. So like when we ask a query, for example, how many beds are there? Okay, it will just go to the Mistral database, and where it will search the CSV folder that we have been giving, and from there the output it will generate the output.
So all your hospital data is in a CSV folder, CSV data, and then Mistral is trying to find the information from there.
Exactly. Okay, that we have trained, but we will in future integrate with the real-time data, and we will add new components also.
Sorry, I heard you have trained something. No, you haven't trained anything. You're just asking Mistral to go and use this information from the CSV file. It's more like the RAG thing, but you're just saying, okay, anything in the CSV file, take it and give an answer.
Okay. Sir, what should I ask?
No.
For example, if I want to ask in a CS, if a medicine I want to ask, okay. So, if paracetamol is there or not, okay. If I want to ask, if paracetamol is there, I will just ask it. It's an inbuilt query, or I can also show another one which is not there in example queries. Okay, so it has written paracetamol category non-generic, quantity available 97. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, anyone, any question? No. Okay, Talin, you can turn off your sharing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you, Talin. So next team is Neurocrafter. So any member from Neurocrafter can raise their hand. Yes, Akanksha. All access given to you. You can share the screen and unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, Akanksha, your screen is visible. So after this one, we will start with all on offline peoples. So be ready.
Sir, is this visible?
Yes, Akanksha.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. I am Akansha Kumari, and I am here to present our project, Intelligent Odia Narration from any PDF. So as we know that many people in different regions of Orissa speaks only Odia, but a lot of useful information like from books, reports and documentaries is available only in English. So because of this, Odia speaking people face difficulty in understanding the content. So there are not any tools like that can help in translating on or summarizing these documents into Odia. So this creates a big gap and it makes it hard for everyone to access the same knowledge. So our project basically solved this problem by using AI to read English or Odia PDFs and summarize them in Odia and also speak it out loud so that those who can't read, they can also understand very well. So this is the whole workflow of our project. First of all, the user will upload PDF. After that, the text is extracted using the PyPDF2 library. After that, we have used Lang detect library for detecting whether the language is English or Odia. After that, English PDF will be summarized and then translated to Odia. And after that, we have used the Servam AI Bulbul model for the text to speech, and we have used Streamlit to deploy it. So for the text summarization, I have used Falcon's AI text summarization model because it supports accurate summarization and it is a lightweight model. And for the English to Odia translation, I have used Facebook NLP model, which provides over 200 low resources languages. And for the TTS, I have used Servam TTS Bulbul model. The major challenges was to choose a model which basically converts text to Odia language in speech. So that's why we have used Servam Bulbul model because it handles that very well. And for the translation quality in Odia language, we have used Facebook NLP model. So these are some real world applications which can be solved by using our AI bot. And these are the solutions. So I would like to show you the demo. For the convenience, I have already uploaded the PDF. As you can see, this is the sample PDF which I have uploaded. This is in English. So using the Lang detect library, it is detected in English and it summarizes and translated it to Odia. And using the text to speech Bulbul model, this is the result.
I feel like they need speech to text.
Is it audible?
APIs and all things like you can use this one. So that's why.
Sir, is it audible?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Akanksha, you are not audible. Just like there was a break in your voice. Acha, demo.
Sir, is the audio is audible?
Acha, demo audio is not audible. Sorry.
It's not audible. Hello, sir.
No, not audible. Akanksha, are you able to hear the audio like from your application?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I guess there is some sort of issue. I don't know. Is this audible? Once again.
You can speaker volume.
Sir, I don't know what's the issue. Sir, I have uploaded the like demo video on the Google Drive.
Okay. Okay, just carry on with your demo. Like.
Yes, sir. So that's it from my side.
Okay. Any question?
Have you tried taking a PDF which has also image in it, text and image both?
No, sir. Sir, we will be doing that afterwards. We will use OCR for that. Like we will work upon the non-textual later also.
So what was your problem when you implemented this? Any challenges you faced with Sarvam, the Bulbul tool and other things which you used?
So major challenges was I was trying to implement the AI for Bharat model, but it was too heavy for my laptop. So I was not able to use that. So that's why I switched to Falcons and Facebook NLP model.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes. Giving.
See, is the PDF file how big is the PDF file?
So
is
this
it like
is the sample PDF.
no? Suppose you have 5 pages. What does it do?
Sir, I have implemented it for just short PDFs right now.
Okay. Thanks.
Have you used any pipeline for it?
No, sir.
So how the PDF is getting read by the model?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, first of all, the user will upload the PDF. After that, the text will be extracted, and using the lang detect library, it will be detected that it is a Odia language or the English language. After that, the English PDFs will be summarized, and then it will be translated to the Odia using that to model Falcon and Facebook NLP.
Oh, so I have just one question. How you extracted the text from the PDF?
Text from, sir, using the PyPDF tool library.
Okay, all right. I will give a suggestion. You try to implement the RAG over the PDF.
Yes, sir.
It would be much better.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Kansa.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Akanksha, thank you. Thank you for your demo. So now we will start with the offline members. So whoever first team. Yes, who want to give first? Okay. Board transformer, start with them only.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rohan Kumar. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohan Kumar Singh. I'm from Century University, and my team member Abhi Mitra and Chandan Kumar Patra. We have developed OD the game bot, which use of AI, which
What is the game bot is nothing but can go to next. So the thing is NPC that we see in the game, non-playable characters are not intelligent, it's just non-playable characters. So what if we add intelligence to it? So we can use them in wide range in lots of spaces, like digital twin, in any game, in any learning apps, in the 3D environment where a teacher is giving presentation. So that is how Gen Zs are learning in these days, right? So we try to make NPCs intelligent with this project. Can you go to next? So it's the backend. It's connecting with GPT 3.5 Turbo with the API given by the organizing team. And so as I said, it has application areas in digital twin, training simulation, multilingual training simulation, and any of the digital twin of any factory, machineries, anything you want to teach through a intelligent robot in virtual world, it can do. And go for it. And then so future scope can be, so currently we are built in Unity, so we have capability to build in Unreal Engine as well. So currently it is available as a package, so anyone want to kind of do the same thing with their NPCs, they can just download the package and start working on it. They just have to provide the API key so that it connects to the ChatGPT. And going forward, due to some limitations from Unity's backend, we couldn't actually tried adding this ODIA fonts. It didn't took. So so voice inputs, currently it is giving TTS, text to speech, but it's not taking speech to text. And we can also so lots of logics are there at the backend. So we have added for navigation, follow through navigation, and lots of things we'll see in demo. But it can be fine-tuned, and more kind of parameters can be added so that the NPC can be more intelligent with that. So it's also can be we can also give the entire backend system on a Python Flask server, so that we can design it as a web RTC backend for game and chatbot. So open the demo now, please, Chandra. You can be here. Hello, I'll just speak from here. I just moved from here to there. So so this is the website we have made just to give information about the package and bot and everything. And if we go down, so it's all about the package and stuff. So we'll just quickly go to the demo. Do you have internet connected? So it says approach an NPC and start chatting. So that I'll start doing. So this is suppose this is, I took a scenario of where I am an explorer and I am in Bhubaneswar city and I'm new here, so I need help in this metaverse. So what I'll do in generally real world, what we do is we approach people, right? So I'll try to approach one NPC there. And I can chat with the NPC and also ignore. So if I chat with the NPC and if I ask, hi, what's coming? Audio जा रहा? नहीं जा रहा audio? Audio? Audio नहीं जाएगा? Okay. इसमें audio है. Okay, so there's also audio is there. So I've tried to set the NPCs, different NPCs has different roles. So this NPC is, I've given him role as a Ekmara. And if I suppose I have given 3 destination points where the NPCs knows about right now, it's like Khandagiri, then Lingaraj temple, then Patia. So if I ask the NPC to take me to like Patia, so here I can see the NPC started working towards Patia, and I can follow the NPC. And also actually there is audio, and in the back end it's speaking about Patia and its story while walking towards Patia. Not sure why it's audio. Okay. 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 So yeah, so again I can, so like this I can ask all the questions about the areas in the virtual world, and I can roam around. This is for this this hackathon scenario, but the same thing can be used in wide range of applications, as I said, like suppose it's a digital twin of any college campus or any factory campus or stuff. And there we can use the same scenario to kind of give virtual navigation to people like that. Yeah, hello. Yeah, windmills. Windmills there. Oh, okay, yeah. So actually, this is a demo city. Actually, it's a demo city map. Yeah, it's not actual one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, we could actually. There is very little time because all the assets to be generated like that. Yeah. Thank you. This is our project. Yeah. We're open for questions if you have any. Yeah. So as I told, we have given some of the points. As if I ask me, Lingaraj temple. Okay. Temple to Khandagiri. So it started moving towards Khandagiri. So just for demo, we have given some points so that the NPC will be knowing and moving towards those points. Yeah. So we have another one, Lingaraj temple, so we can also go there. So I have to approach to the NPC again. I can ask him, or I can ask also about the suppose Khandagiri caves and wherever I go, like Patia, like that. So it will give also it will also start chatting with you. I think for some reason this chat window is not also expanding very well. It's also like it's not like hard coded text. It's also understand my intention, like let's go to, or follow me, or take me to. So naturally if you type, it will catch that phrase. Let's go to. Yeah, as I told you, sir, this has a wide range of use cases. One is, suppose it's a metaverse world, and usually we put in metaverse like props, right? So we also put people as a props. If you have played, GTA 5, those level of games, there are props there, right? People are moving around. Those people or NPCs can be intelligent right now. The power of this, if we can connect the backend with an intelligence system, that they can be, intelligent in the game world itself. So they can learn from you. They'll be knowing your whereabouts. They can guide you in the game like that. This is very good for, digital twins basically, where you are suppose like a smart city, Bhubaneswar smart city, you have a digital twin of a smart city, and you want people to visit the smart city in digital way from anywhere in the world, and there can be a digital AI system like this, and it can guide the entire system. Master canteen, yeah. So we have to actually 3D model those things. That's it. So the terrain system we have to build, and we have to 3D model those things. That's it. And so the basic scenario was to our goal is to develop the AI system, and not the entire city map like this. But it can be done. Yeah, it's actually audio is there actually with this. So. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Which is interpreted by the LLM.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Provides what? Those points are known, so even without LLM, you would have got to the rest with this.
Actually, we have to. I have not hard coded anything. I just listed out some of the points and said that these are the tags of points where people can move, and from the backend, the ChatGPT is getting all the metadata of the map. And based on which, wherever I say, suppose go to Lingaraj temple, it's taking me to the Lingaraj temple. And on the way, it is, talking to me about the Lingaraj temple, what it is and stuff. So it's built on Unity engine, and I have exported it for WebGL. So it's running on the web browser. It's also live, sir. So if I give you the link, you can test it on your laptop also. Mm-hmm. No, sir, no. So this is, ChatGPT is a backend. So Unity uses C# as a programming language. So, so in that language, you can implement HTTP request. So one is the HTTP request, another one is the metadata set, and another is the visualization of it. Unity also from my program that I've done in Unity. So actually, I could connect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So navigation is for navigating a NPC. Unity, itself gives a A* algorithm. It is there. I'm just utilizing it, and on top of it, I am putting the points, waypoints. Disjoint. Yeah. Yeah. GPT is different and different. Yeah. Not interrelated. Yeah. So any more questions, sir? Yeah. So first of all, we started with the 3D map. So this is the 3D map. We have then put the characters. So this is the Unity stack. In the Unity stack, we have done C# programming, through which we have connected with ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo model, and we have designed a complete metadata set in JSON format for the entire city map. And then whenever a system prompt goes, it is taking one metadata from the piece as I ask, then it is going to ChatGPT, bringing me the result and giving this output. There is a system prompt. Actually, I've generated the system prompt from the ChatGPT itself. Now I've asked for to be a guide in Bhubaneswar and sound like a Odisha guy, like that. So it has given a name to the NPC like Ekmara. Yeah. But yeah. So it's not hard coded. Huh? Just for test only. We can add many more. It's like unlimited. We can add. No issues. Yeah. I've given that. Yeah. So we have used the prompt like while traveling, if there is a distance, the minimum distance of suppose like 10 meters, so one unit is like 1 meter over there. So it's like distance of 10 meter, then don't be silent, start speaking about the place that you are going. Then it's take that prompt, it's first checks that, whether, it's like 20 meter distance or not, then it will start, taking the prompt and giving the answers. Like that. Virtual tour of the city. So in virtual tour, you can design a virtual tour, but you can design an intelligent virtual tour where it's backed by GPTs. Yeah. Yeah, I guess, yeah. GPT already knows about this thing. We just have to give the waypoints and make the visual so that it actually looks like the temple that is on the ground, like that. Yeah, localization. Yeah. Yeah. So actually, to design the 3D models, actually, we cannot do it in 3 days. Actually, it will take more than that time. Entire 3D map. Yeah, please.
GPT generate those 3D models for you?
No. GPT is not that actually. So that's why I feel saved by all the GPT evaluation because I'm a game developer. So GPT is not that far away. Yeah, please.
Is it possible to generate a predefined task like getting a tire or something like that?
Yeah, but yes, environment you have to change and complete scenario will be changing with that.
Like we define the task, what is
Mm-hmm.
it is just doing the same thing.
Actually there are lots of workflows will be there. Suppose like the characters that I put over there, it's just robots, can be any character. So your character shall be having those animation points, so that I can.
Like in a game we play the campaign, the campaign mode.
Mm-hmm.
It's a predefined.
Mm-hmm.
But the NPC, here,
Yeah.
it should be always at the same time defining the task and telling about the task,
Mm-hmm.
guiding the person playing.
Mm-hmm.
Can it be done with the predefined, suppose in a factory setting?
Yeah. I got your point. So for a digital twin of a factory or particular task you want to teach people how to do it actually. So you can connect the metadata again. You have to create of a particular 3D model. So 3D model, it's a skeleton, and also there are animation points. There are bone joints and stuff. Now I do not know. I haven't tried it with ChatGPT, but it can be done. ChatGPT has to get the armature and behave like a human, so that it moves the ranges and everything. So we have to test it actually. But this can be done. It's not wonder. Yeah. Thank you. Any more questions, sir, ma'am? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's great to be back with you again. Now we are with a new idea, and we are really excited to share and discuss with you all. Let's start. Let's start. Imagine a woman living in a village in Odisha, and one day her husband is taken away by a police wrongly. So she doesn't know what to do. She cannot speak English or Hindi. She doesn't know the basic legal rights, and she has no way to get out of that legal help. It's not just her story. More than 70% of Indians, they don't understand their basic legal rights, right? They don't understand what all rights they have been given, and it's very difficult for them to know all those things. Those are very they don't understand because it is in English or Hindi language, and it's very scary for them to know all these things. Now, to solve that problem, we have built Naya. So it's a simple AI-powered assistant where the user can just prompt. They can just speak, and they can type their problems over there, and it will automatically understands the problem, translates the voice, understand the problem, and apply Indian laws, and it will get back to you with the legal solution.
Okay, so, hi everyone, I'm Shadab. So I'm going to discuss what happens in the backend. So first of all, there are total of 6 documents that we have given the AI to train itself, not train, we have given it to understand, more like RAG. And now what happens is, when the prompt has been given, it goes through the documents and the prompts. It has been given instructions on how to solve, how to find out the solution of it, and we also have a it will also give it a way how to negotiate or mediate instead of directly approaching, so that if it solves by negotiation, so it will be better for both the parties having the problem. Now we have used Microsoft Azure speech to text and translation, so when the user can select any language. Till now we have supported only 6: Hindi, English, Odia, and 3 other mainstream Indian languages. Then after selecting, it is stored in the session, the language which the person has selected. Then it goes to a page where it asks for the grievance, and over there the person can speak or else type even, and then when he continues, it shows the solution in 4 ways. It just shows the output in 4 different categories. First one is summary of what the person has said, so that the person can know if the AI understood it right or wrong. Second is the legal laws related to it. The third one is the how to approach the law with this, and the fourth one is if any negotiation or other things are possible, then they can approach that first. And there is a download button as well, which the person can download and show if needed, like this is the way, so how do I approach, like that. And the output is in the language they had selected that had been stored in the session. So we have used Meta Llama 4 Scout Instruct. In this model, we get up to 32,000 tokens of prompt. So since we cannot give all the, since we have not fine-tuned the model, and so we cannot give all the full documents, because they add up to 500,000 tokens. So what we did is that we have just given the first 5,333 tokens per document, so that it gets a preview of each document and what are the laws in the document. And yeah, that's it. So now for the demo, you can scan it. You can scan and see the website right now. We will also show the demo. Alright, so this is the home page. It has a very simple user interface. So get started. Alright, all you have to do is give the name and select the language. Now it has been, it writes that what is your grievance, describe it, speak up or else write it down. So we will write it down. It supports 6 languages for now. It can transcribe and translate it. Alright, then yes, so this is the final output. Now we have a help section as well. I was working into it today itself, so it is not fully developed, but it can still find some of the locations nearby. Okay, that's all. We're open to questions.
So we are all open to questions.
Are you developing by using a language Odia only, or because I have seen that you have given the prompt in the English language?
So what happens is, first if the user speaks in Odia, then it translates into first it writes down in English and then translates it to English. Then over there the English version has been written. So in the text area we only support English until for
So
now.
let us say, for example, I don't know English. I just know, I just have the knowledge of Odia language.
Yes.
Okay. So how will you do that? I mean, I have to write in the Odia language, or I have to say something and it will convert it into text, or what?
Yes, you can speak in Odia language and it will understand it.
It will understand?
Yes. There is a translator there.
Okay, see, I have seen that like this page is open.
Yes.
So it is in like English language. If I say something in Odia, so it will be opened in Odia language or in English language?
No, it will be I said that I was working on this page today itself, so I couldn't support the language like I did it in solution page. So if I had more time, I could work into this page as well. But it will show the language in which you had selected it.
Okay, the form also.
Yes.
Form also.
Yes, in the form which you had selected it, the language which you selected after writing your name, that language will be shown across all pages. If
and the same for legal document that you have shown in the Odia language.
Yes.
The same for legal document. That if I chose the language Hindi, so it will show in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. In Hindi. And that page also.
Which page?
This, for example, this.
Yeah, this page we have to integrate it. Right now we don't support it, but if we integrate it, it will work.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what we have used is we have uploaded the documents in the backend, and then we have stored it in .text file, and then it goes through the first 5,000 characters, and then that is a part of the prompt itself. We couldn't fine tune the model, but that is the part of the prompt itself. No, for one document, 5,000. Yes.
So basically more like a PDF reader, reading it into here, and then just based on this, give the answer.
Yes. Yes, sir. We have used LLM Meta Llama 4. The generating the response, the solution, like what are the laws related that can support your case, and suggestions. No, the AI goes through the PDF's first 5,000 characters only. then it rest it does on its own. Like it finds out, it gives you suggestions like approach this, say them that this is the case, and I can use this right of mine, like that.
You've read the 5,000 characters of one document.
Yes.
PDF document. Was that something similar you've read it for 6 documents?
Yes.
Now, you write some particular statement.
Yes.
For that, the engine goes and accesses the PDF document.
Yes.
Contains a text file.
Yes.
And retrieves the data.
Yes.
And puts it in the LLM.
Yes.
For what?
For going through it, it is like you're extending the prompt by 32,000 characters.
To analyze.
Why you are not using React? No, but in this way you are limiting, right?
Yes.
Limiting your solution, because the solution cannot be generalized. Only it can be like a toy problem, like just for. But
Yes.
it cannot be generalized, because if you want to generalize, you have to really provide a solution which will be up to date.
Yes.
You can have store the document, because these laws can be changed anytime.
Yes.
So it should have access to the internet as well as the document.
Yes, I got to know about RAG day before yesterday itself, so I couldn't do it.
I want to ask, like, it might be a suggestion for you. So what you have done is a very great work, and since these are mostly legal things, so I will suggest give some reference, like from which section it is coming. Let's say from article number this, and from section this it is coming,
yes.
or from this internet article it is coming. So it will be very, very helpful for the normal people to know actually these facts are right or not. Even they will make a PDF like you are doing right now, and they will go to an advocate or lawyer and say these are my facts and I have my rights to know about these things, so they can show. So if you can integrate those things here, then it will be a great application for the users.
Yes, sir, we have integrated in the solution page. It shows like I don't know, there was some problem this time. It didn't show the legal laws,
Okay.
but then it shows.
Then it's good.
Thank you.
Okay, anyone, any question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Microsoft Azure Translate API. No, around 25,000 or something tokens. Yes. Yes.
Maybe you can consider to directly use a ODIA LLM fine-tuned version.
Yes.
It will be fine-tuned on the legal documents.
Okay.
If you are building a model, then you take a base model, ODIA model, and collect the legal document text and fine-tune the model. Then the model has the capability, means understanding of all the legal documents and everything.
Okay, sir.
If you try to use a RAG-based approach, then I think it can completely understand ODI, your input, output, and everything. And that one will be, I think, more.
Yes, sir. It will be more efficient. No. I initially tried giving only 3 documents, and when I asked a prompt from a different different part, then it couldn't. It gave response like you didn't provide me with these documents. So for that, I had to add more documents.
Okay, I think no one is there for question. So next, move to the next team. Like 404 not found will be present in online. Yes. 404 team. Yes, you can unmute them. You can go ahead.
Share my screen.
Should I have to? Your eyes can be this.
Hi, is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Sahai is a AI generated application that is a healthcare assistant bot. So every year, millions of people die, not due to diseases, but mainly due to late diagnosis or medical unawareness. Sahai is a solution to that, where any user can input their symptom and get a list of possible health conditions, suggested tests, and clarity of what's happening. So, it is found in a survey that of the total deaths due to medical negligence, almost 33% is due to late diagnosis. Diseases like TB or cancer do not provide much scope. It becomes fatal if it is not diagnosed on time. Other survey says that prescription errors and diagnosis uncertainties also leads to a lot of death nowadays. People are not aware of what's happening with them. So Sahai will help in reducing these deaths due to late diagnosis. It is a yeah. So this is the idea details for how the app works. Now I would pass this on to my teammate Mohan so that he can explain.
Okay, thank you, Ritu. So we have created a platform which is cross-device supported. That means it can be used on a website, on phone as well. So the main focus was phone because we are trying to catch the scope of village people who are not able to speak English or Hindi is also, so Odia. And let me share the screen. Okay, so is it visible, the app screen?
No.
Okay, let me reshare the screen.
Sure.
Okay, is it visible now?
Yes.
So this is Saha AI, or in short Sahai. So this is it will also run on apps. So when a user comes, he can give the input via text or via audio also. And scrolling down, he can choose some like most used, frequently asked question for free work. So for now, the audio will work like he'll click the icon and say, I have, let's say, Mora Jara Hichi. Say Odia re kahibaku. So let me just input that. Matte Jara Hichi. So it's just now transcribing the speech, and we'll get output in a couple of seconds. So for that moment, let us see how this works. Is the PPT visible again?
No. Yes, now it is visible.
Yeah. So this is how the pathway works. The user will actually input the audio, which we are using the Gemini ASR model to convert into text. It can be used in any local languages like Odia, Hindi, Bengali, anything. And he can also use text to input. So this will both go to backend, and we'll then call the LLM, which is currently the Ulama model, and we will get a response in local languages. We have written the prompts so that we get response in local languages directly. Then from the backend, we are sending this to a DTS, text to speech, and we are using the Sarvam AI for this. We'll provide the text and we'll get the audio in the local language. Then we'll give the output, both text and text audio, like audio and text both will go to the user and show the screen. Let's see if you have got the output already. Okay, so it was processing, and in the backend it has already done the output. Okay, because I had selected here the Hindi, so whatever I say, we got output in Hindi. If I had selected Odia, then it would have been come in Odia. So I can also
नमस्ते।
hear the
फीवर
sound.
आने पर चिंता होना स्वाभाविक है। इससे पहले कि हम इसका इलाज शुरू करें, आइए इसके कारणों और लक्षणों पर ध्यान दें। फीवर के कई कारण हो सकते हैं, जैसे वायरल इन्फेक्शन, बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन।
Yeah, this was the sample audio, like it will read the whole thing, and we have made it such that it doesn't provide any critical information like to take important medicine which can be harmful. So it will only provide common medicines like paracetamol, or mostly it will prefer to say home remedies, and in the end it will suggest them to see a doctor. So if I switch this to Odia, this will work in Odia. मते ठंडा हेची कोन करिबी It takes couple of seconds because we are using the free API, so it's not that fast. We are using the Gemini ASR. Okay, let's wait till the output comes. Yeah, the output is here. So we can also hear it on audio.
प्रिय व्यक्ति आपण जनक ठारू ज्वर आसीछि ज्वर होउथिबारे अनेक कारण हेइ पारे जेपरि वायु परिवर्तन अति कम तापमान इत्यादि ज्वर होउथिबारे आपनको कास गला जंत्रणा मुंड बिंधा तथा शरीर दुर्बलता भाबे लागि पारे
So yeah, this is the Odia output. I know the accent is not right because the models are not trained on various dialects. We can fine tune on that, but for that we'll need a huge amount of data from different parts of Odisha for Odia, if I say. We are working on that already. We have created a Google form and shared it with our friends to input their dialect, and then we'll fine tune on that. So yes, this was the user side, and let's go back to the PPT. Okay, so the next page of the PPT is, yeah. So we believe that the real change starts when everyone, regardless of where they live, can know about knowledge. Like someone have doubt in their home, like I'm having, doctor said, do this test, तमे टेस्ट करो, एतिकी पैसा पड़िबो, बट लोक जानी नांती जे हम टेस्ट करिवो कोन पई, तो दे कैन कम हियर एंड क्लैरिफाई कि ये टेस्ट हुए कोन पई, एक्चुअल रे कोन होउची, मैं मेडिसिन खाउची काहे की खाउची, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. Our future endeavors are, as I said, कि हमें maximum number of dialects cover करिबा ताकि एटा टिके आहुरी accurate रहू. लाइक ओडिसा रे बहुत पार्ट रे बहुत प्रकार लोक थांती, कोटी बरहमपुर रे लोक थिवे कि संबलपुर रे लोक थिवे, से माने जड़े भाई सजेस्ट करथिले जे जदी ज्वर होउची कहउची से बुझी जाउची, बट व्हाट इफ मु कहिबी देह गर्मी जाउची से बुझी परिबोनी. सो वी कैन ऑब्वियसली फाइन ट्यून ऑन दैट कि करियो से, एंड पर्सनलाइज हेल्थ ट्रैकर्स गोटे पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल रो डेटा में तारी प्रोफाइल तारी डिवाइस पे स्टोर कर परिबा, सो दैट कि से तार हेल्थ पर ट्रैक रख परियो जे मते एतिकी मास तळे ज्वर हेतला देन ठंडा हेतला, तो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल प्रिकॉशंस आई शुड टेक और व्हाट न्यूट्रिएंट्स आई शुड टेक. देन फास्टर रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ आउटब्रेक्स, एटा में एनोनिमसली डेटा कलेक्ट करि परिबा यूजिंग द ऐप. सो कि गोटे गाँ रे मनकर बहुत जन कहउछन जे मोर एमती देह खराब होउची, जेंति करेंटली कटक रे डायरिया आउटब्रेक चलची, तो सेमती से आगरु टिके प्रेडिक्ट कर पायो जे हां एमितिया यूजर इनपुट दउछन माने किछि गोटे हेइची, तो एनजीओस कैन लाइक टेक स्टेप. एंड एटा जदी टिके आहुरी अधिक एनालिसिस वगैरह अधिक करबा, देन मेडिकेशन रिमाइंडर्स और अलर्ट्स भी हमें दे परिबा तंग डैशबोर्ड रे. एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक इज दिस. So yes, that's all. If you have any questions.
Thank you, team. Any question?
So I have a question. In the LLM, the input is giving in which language? In the selected language or in English?
We're giving input in English, and we're saying give us the answer in the converted language which the user has selected. Okay. So that kinda डॉक्यूमेंट्स गुड़ाक माने अलग लैंग्वेजेस रे रिसोर्सेस नहीं तो इंग्लिश रे देले ही बेटर टिके से रिट्रीव कर परिबो जहां भी तार डेटा रे से ट्रेन हितला.
Okay, so you have given as a prompt to give the answer in that language.
Yes, we have mentioned that give answer in the selected language by the.
Okay.
How have you enabled the guardrail for it? Like saying that you cannot give, it doesn't suggest medicines which are not, which are very dangerous for usage.
We have prompted it extensively to avoid giving critical medicines because the rural people, they don't know which medicines are essential.
No, how have you done it?
If
How have
someone,
you done? I'm not asking which medicines, I'm asking how have you done that?
we have prompted it. Like
Manual
the query
prompt.
we pass, that's
Okay.
embedded in that they don't suggest such critical medicines.
Okay. And based on for the healthcare assistant, what have you fine-tuned the LLM to do something specific to healthcare?
No, actually not yet. In this time span, we couldn't fine tune a model. We are working on it.
Okay, thanks.
Yes. If anyone have other questions.
Okay. Yeah, in that speech encoder, it looks like you're doing a translation as well, right? Where the speech, the input is in any one language and the output is English. Is that what you're doing, and Gemini API you're using for that? Because
Yes. Gemini AI, sir.
so
it
you're doing it.
transcribes the language to English.
Okay, so audio to English text. That's what this speech encoder.
Yes. Right, sir.
Yeah, it appeared. I just want to confirm. Yeah, that's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, there is no question from anyone. Thank you, team. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, like you can stop sharing the screen. Yes.